we go, my very first unboxing of the Zhiyun Smooth 4. This is a replacement after the first one didn't work. First of all, I got the red light error, and then it stopped working altogether, so hopefully this one will be a lot better and will work. I was so looking forward to using this. It was just a shame that it just did not work. User manual. I don't remember getting one with the first one, but there you go. One user manual. And the box itself. I'll just break the seal on this. And then we'll see what's inside the box. You'll have to forgive me, I've never done an unboxing before, so this is a first for me. Cellophane off. There should be a little seal on the side, as you can see. And just break that seal. And it should come with a nice styrofoam type hard case. And there it is. Another booklet inside. I think obviously when they've done the packaging they forgot to include that inside. Quick start guide. Notice on Android compatibility issue. Hopefully they'll sort that with updates in the future. So that's that. I'll just put that to one side. And then in the box, it's quite tough and robust, so it will protect it. Obviously you got your silica gel, absorb moisture. But comes with a very nice little tripod, quite well made, as you can see. I don't know, I think it's just plastic, but coated plastic. Still feels quite robust though, quite strong. Obviously the USB, and then a mini USB I think it is, and then the gimbal itself, and obviously the tripod screws in. And it's quite sturdy. Forgive the shakiness of the camera. There you go, there's the gimbal itself. I was just so excited to get using this because some of the shots you can do on it, like the hyperlapse, and I was just so excited, and I was just so disappointed when the first one just gave me nothing but problems. So hopefully now this one will work and I'll be able to get shooting with it. So there you go, that's all everything that came in the box. The case, user manual, user guide, USB cable, the tripod stand, and then the Smooth 4 itself. I may do a review of it later on, actually using it. But like I say, this is all new to me. This is my first unboxing. I hope you find that enjoyable. Laters.